आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello students, the question is asking that match the acid given in the column first with their correct IUPAC name given in the column second. Now, first of all, we have a one trick. That trick we have to understand. For that, we can remember all this acid, and the trick is Ohm's gap. OMSGAP. Ohm's gap means in Ohm's gap. In first molecules, that is oxalic acid, second is malic acid, third is succinic acid, that as we can see here, oxalic, succinic. After that, G is glutaric acid, A is adipic acid, and P is picric acid, but that is not given here, and phthalic acid is a different acid. Now in between these all are dicarboxylic acid, and in between two dicarboxylic acid, here only 0 carbon will be there. Here 1 carbon will be there, here 2 carbon will be there, here 3 carbon, 4 carbon and 5 carbon. Now let me explain one by one. First of all, phthalic acid is given. So phthalic acid is different acid that is not matching with this trick. So phthalic acid is basically an acid in which the 2 carboxylic acid will be present in the benzene ring adjacent to the carbon. Adjacent to carbon. So in that way we can show here. Here one acid will be there and here another acid will be there. So IUPAC name of this compound will be benzene 1,2-dicarboxylic acid, that is 2. Means for A it will be second. Means we can start the counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a benzene and dicarboxylic acid is there. So 1,2-dicarboxylic acid. So that is second. Now what about this B? So that is oxalic acid. And for the structure we can from here we can write the structure. Means O means oxalic acid. So there will be 0 carbon in between 2 carbolic acid. So that 2 carbolic acid will be directly connected here. And name of this carbolic acid we have to start counting from here 1 and 2. So that is ethane dioic acid. 1,2-ethane dioic acid. So that is ethane 1,2-dioic acid, that is matching with the fifth. So that is matching with the fifth. Now what about this C? In C we have given that this one succinic acid. So succinic means S. So S we have 2 carbon in between 2 carbolic acid. So we will have 2 carbon as CH2, CH2, after that COOH. And if you counting start from here, then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon is there. So butane. So butane 1,4-dioic acid, in the 1 and 4 position we have a dioic acid. So butane 1,4-dioic acid. So that is matching with the option number 4. Now next is D. So D is adipic acid. Here adipic acid is there. So in adipic acid, how many carbon will be there? 4 carbon. So total 6 carbon will be there. 2 carbon is for carbolic acid, and in between them we will have 4 carbon in that way. CH2, 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 and after that we will have COOH. So total 6 carbon is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will be hexane 1,2-dioic 1,6 basically. Hexane 1,6-dioic acid. So option number first. So D is matching with option number first. Now we have this E as well, glutaric acid. So glutaric acid means 3 carbon will be there. So that will be matching with the 5, means pentane. So let me write that as well. So we will have adipic acid. So in between these 2 carbolic acid we will have 3 carbon, means CH3, CH2, CH2, after that COOH. So total 5 carbon is there. So that name will be pentane. And in 1 and 5th position we have acid. So pentane 1,5-dioic acid. So that is matching with the third option. So that is matching with the third. So I hope you understand this concept. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।